Hi, welcome to the channel. I've got a 2008 Cayenne 957 and I want to add Bluetooth to it, and it seems like it's a crossover model, so I bought a Chinese Bluetooth adapter, which is off AliExpress, which is this one, but it's stated on the listing that it's for 2009 on. So my car's got a PCM free, so I wasn't sure what I needed for the Bluetooth, so I bought this, and it doesn't quite fit. The plug's the same, that's the original plug, but the wiring's totally different. I've got the fibre optic cables there, and there's space for them, but not on this adapter. They're blanked off. But this plug is the same as that plug, basically, the housing. So what I'm thinking is the only bit I need, this is the Bluetooth module, and it's got its own plug there, and then those two are just power and ground, which are teed off the main harness. Now I haven't got that same main harness, it's different on mine. Basically I'm gonna pop that out, put it in there, wire up the power and ground, and see what happens. Hopefully it works. This adapter was only like 15 quid, so it's worth a go. My other option would be one of the ones that tees off the fibre optics, but all of the ones for Cayennes, they basically say for model years up to 2006, so there's a bit of a crossover this one. So I just connected the power and ground into the loom. It looks a bit scabby because I just taped it up. I just decided I'd nick the insulation with a blade and then just solder straight onto it, and then tape it up. So nice connections, but obviously when you tape them up they look rubbish, but that should be fine. So I'm going to plug it all in now and test it and see what I got. This comes with a microphone that you plug into that, but because the head unit's got Bluetooth for phone calls anyway, I don't think I'll need it, so I'm going to leave that off. So it's connected up, it's just loosely down there on the side. Now I can't find the source to add it, but apparently if you put a CD in you can add AUX as a source. I'll try that.
I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky. Drink some margaritas by
So I should be getting a checkbox to tick, I'm assuming, by there, that would say AUX, and then I'd turn on the auxiliary input, but I haven't got that. Now I know some of these Cayennes, they have the auxiliary plugs down there, so they're already like formatted. I got a Chinese PCM clone, which is the factory diagnostics, so I'm going to connect that up and see if I can activate it through the software. Right, so to activate a feature on this PCM you need a code. I spoke to the Porsche dealership, but they weren't really understanding what I wanted to do or helpful. I guess you'd have to just take it down there and explain it in person. So I looked online, cheapest place I could find to supply a code, SVS, I think they're a Chinese based company. So you give them your VIN and then they tell you the activation code, so that's the one for the USB. So I've put that into my PCM. You could barely see it there because my backlight's gone on my laptop, but if I press enter So I ran the code I was given on the POS and it activated it fine. So now I've got the tuner on, so if I press source, I've now got AUX as an option. And so there it's connected. And then I can play music on my phone. And that then works. So that works fine. It's not the brilliant integration, so you can't change the songs with these buttons. I haven't got steering wheel buttons, so I don't know if they'd work or not. I expect not. And there's no doesn't tell you what's playing or anything like that. So not amazing, but it works. So it's cost me 60 quid to get the activation code, 15 quid for the actual Bluetooth module that I installed, and then if you need to pay somebody to code it, that's probably going to cost you another 40-50 quid maybe at a specialist. So yeah, not bad I suppose. So it works, and now I got decent music rather than just relying on the radio. So all in all, I'm pleased with that. Hopefully this helps anybody else that's looking to upgrade their crossover sort of early PCM 3 rather than the 3.1s. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content. Bye.